Itong pagkain to ay hindi appetizer pang tao, kundi pang aso ito. Let's go! Ayan, tapos.
And dahil dyan, mag-pet meal review tayo.
Hi guys, Doc Ara here, and I'm actually with Doc Lorene and Doc Aubrey. And may kasama kami mga doggos for today, Coco at si Amore. Sila po ang magti-taste test sa ating for meal dito sa Storia sa Quezon City. Ayan po, yung mga nakahain dyan yan yun. Meron tayong chicken chew, perfect pear, beef barkies. Paano ito niluto? Boiled lang siya, no salt, no anything, no condiments. So very safe for your pets. Yung naman ito ay vet approved kasi safe for our doggos. Anong gusto mo, Coco? Pili ka nga. Perfect pear, beef chicken squash, potato, and French beans. So taste test na natin. Ay, chef sila pala.
Nagutom ko si Doc.
So,
Guys, ginutom ko talaga.
ayan po si Amore. Wow, very good. Sige, go. O, ito. Yan gusto mo? No, you're shy. Next naman, chick and chew, which contains yung chicken, potato, carrots, and French beans. Ay, teka lang. Yan. So, very good 5 stars ba? 5 stars.
Would recommend.
Would recommend.
Yummy! Dito to, ilang araw hindi ko. Guys, kailangan nilang maghabol dahil alam na namang nangyari sa kanyang 3 beses.
Beef barkies, beef, potato, carrots, and French bean. So, taste test, Coco. Sila sarap. Sarap ba?
Magkakaroy ba sila?
So, take note, these are actually safe for your dogs. Pero, if allergic sila sa certain proteins dito, like for example, chicken and beef, syempre, exception yun. Very good.
Oh, easy.
Okay ka lang. Alala siya. Sa sobrang excited
Relax
mo.
ka lang, my love.
Dahil gusto ko masubukan ng fur babies nyo tong fur core meal ng Storia, meron tayong pa-free meal. Oo, basta i-announce nyo lang or sabihin nyo lang yung code na DocAra FCM, meron ng free meal lang inyong pet for dine-in only.
Ito yung ano yung perfect sa kanya dito sa tatlo.
For me, kay Amore, perfect.
Perfect pear.
With squash. Dahil nga high in fiber siya. So, personally, kailangan ng aking aso. Kasi minsan nakikita ko siya constipated.
Ikaw naman kay Coco, Doc.
Gustuhan niya masyado si beef barkies, no? Kanina. May fiber din. Actually, very packed din siya. May source of carbohydrates. At the same time, water-boiled lang din. Walang halong toxic ingredients. I like the process of how they made it. And very much appropriate for pets.
So cute.
May nakalagay
So,
to.
with that, kami naman mga fur parents ang mag-order.
Tell me you got some